Come on, let's make some
Come on, let's make some biscuits.
Come on, let's make some biscuits. Come on,
You
let's
guys,
make
Miss
some
Janita is in the kitchen
biscuits.
again, making these po woman, or if you want to say po man biscuits from scratch. Yes, from scratch. My own measurements. This is not the what do you call it? The self-rising flour. This is me mixing flour and stuff up to make biscuits, po woman, po man biscuits from scratch. So here I go. Okay, come on y'all, let's make some biscuits. It's Miss Janita back in the kitchen again, making some biscuits. This time I'm using a different yogurt. It's honey vanilla. Last time I was like, oh, I didn't know I had honey yogurt. So this time I picked up honey vanilla yogurt. The biscuits were fine last time, so what the heck to have a little honey in your biscuits. So recipe is almost the same, but I got the dough prepared and I'm about to cut out some biscuits. Oh, I was not in camera. Might need a little bit more flour. There's a biscuit. I'm about to put them in the pan and I'm gonna be back. Okay y'all, I got the biscuits cut out in the pan on top of some parchment paper, and I got my other parchment paper to cover them up. I'm about to put them in the refrigerator. I'm gonna chill and let them chill until I'm ready to cook, and I'll be back once they're done. So I want to thank you guys for coming in here and joining me for Let's Make Some Biscuits. And looky-loos, passerbys, trolleys, visitors, I don't know what the heck I'm doing over here, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, get notified by hitting that bell. All right, I'll be back when the biscuits are done. All right, y'all, the honey vanilla yogurt biscuits are done. Beautiful texture. They are so freaking moist. I have to let them cool down. Dang, they're falling to pieces in my hand because they're so tender, but yet firm. I love it. I love them. They taste good. I know my family gonna love them. They got to get up first. But what is this? 2, 4, 6, 7 biscuits, 2 cups of flour. I just used 2 cups of flour, so it made 7 biscuits. Could have made more because these are pretty big biscuits. But the honey vanilla yogurt is fabulousness. I love it. So just want to coming through, sharing with you. Let's make some biscuits. And there'll be more episodes. And soon, hopefully, I'll be not so shy to share my recipe. But anyway, these biscuits taste good. And they firm and juicy on the inside. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.
Come on, let's make some biscuits. 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 Come on, let's make some biscuits.